That's why we're considering if this one is basically a homicide or seizing investigation.
Sir, nung mga unang araw na nangyari yan, may mga lumutang na may mga pasa sa katawan. Itong dalawa, may nakita po ba kayong pasa base doon sa medical record na nakita niyo na sa investigation?
That is part of the line of questioning that we will be asking during the course of the investigation, not only to the students, but also to the coach. So we will be answering that question in due time.